This is only. Hi girly, welcome back to another day of 12 days of self-care with Xara. Today we're cleaning. We're cleaning up the studio because I've had friends over where one night we did sushi night, the second we did pasta night, and the kitchen's a mess. Like the studio living area is not that bad. The bathroom is a mess. Just doing a lot of things, self-care. I've had guests over and it's that time. I can just feel the dust. When your environment is not clean, your brain feels cluttered. That's how I feel. If my space, my car, my studio, obviously I live at home. This is just like, creative space. I stay here too. But like if my room at home is dirty, if my studio's dirty, if my car is dirty, if my phone is like cluttered, my brain does not do well, because it's like you come in an environment where it's just like clothes everywhere, blankets. Like I'm literally looking at what I'm telling you right now and I'm just not focused. One thing I try to do is just keep everything neat. So if you need to clean your room right now, if you need to clean your house, if you need to clean your car, this is a sign to do it, okay? We're on the same thing. Like I need to do this. I need to clean this closet, the bathroom. Like it has just been getting cluttered. Stewarding the space you have. And that's one thing I always talk about. It's like God gives us a space or something that we ask for, a home to live in, a car to drive places and get to different places. All of those things, if you steward it, He will bless you with more. And it's not to do it to get something back, but it really genuinely just living in a cleaner space helps me focus better. So let's start cleaning. We need to clean this whole thing up. And then also, I left some of my equipment yesterday because I went to a DC creator dinner. We're making content. Get ready with me and my sister. So I left all of this, which all needs to be in the corner. Then we're gonna vacuum, de-dust everything. Okay, I'm gonna start with this first and then go to the bathroom. The bathroom is gonna take me the longest. I feel like the easiest way to do something or clean is start with the easiest so you get that out of the way and then clean the hardest parts, okay? So the bathroom needs some scrubbing. Here, I actually did a deep cleaning 2 weeks ago and literally moved every furniture, cleaned everything. I haven't mopped yet because I feel like I haven't found like a really good mop for this floor. I usually just Dyson, but I want to start mopping. So if you have any mop suggestions, let me know. I'm gonna put my hair up because I know I'm gonna get hot soon. Missing something, and it's music. So we're gonna turn on some Christmas music because it does help. I'm trying to soak up as much Christmas music as I can before the season is over, because for some reason every single year I'm like, I felt like it didn't feel like Christmas, or like I didn't make it enough feel like the holidays. So we're adults now. We have to put the effort in order for it to feel like Christmas. Let's turn on some Christmas music. I'm about to clean this. I'm actually gonna talk to you while I do this because I wanted this video to be very casual. Even though you can't see me, we'll talk and clean, okay? First I'm gonna put this on because one thing my mom has always taught me is Like you can actually get sick from not properly taking care of your kitchen or like your dishes. There's a lot of bacteria that comes from the kitchen, especially like seafood and stuff. Actually, last week we made sushi and I left like a piece of salmon, it wasn't even a lot, in my trash can. When I tell you, I came back and it smelled so bad. People always say be careful with seafood. There's a lot of stuff I've been learning. This is only like a couple times of cooking. Like how does it get this dirty? I'm gonna use the Scrub Daddy Sif Cream Tough Dirt Removal in Minutes. When I tell you, this can be for so many different things. Like I use it for the bathroom, the kitchen, scrubbing, the sinks. I love this. I'm gonna put a little bit of water, you know, sprinkle it in there. Another thing I've realized is that I actually like gas better than electric. I just feel like, I don't know, like things heat up faster. If you actually need fire, like it's up there. Usually I clean it on there, but today it needs some extra help. It needs professional help. Me and like my childhood best friend, we used to love cleaning. And so when we were at the residential school, when I say residential, it was like a school where we stayed there. We, you know, it's a boarding school, but we don't pay. It's actually the opposite for people in need. Our parents sometimes couldn't even send us money every month because, you know, that's the main reason we went there. Like they just needed help. So like, you know, some months we wanted to make more money. So we would actually ask the staff members so that we can work for money. And so we would clean. We were like the cleaning duo. Like if a staff member saw us coming, they're like, oh, I know, they're about to clean. Or whenever like the staff members need their car clean, their garage, the shed clean or something like that, we would go to their house and clean. One day we were like, oh, when we grow up, we're gonna have a cleaning business because we're like, it's gonna be successful. Now that I thought about it, like obviously that didn't happen. Like if I did have a cleaning business, that would actually be something I'd be interested in. If I didn't do like social media, like if I was like more entrepreneur. Actually, if I didn't do social media, I would do physical therapy. Having a cleaning business, I feel like would make millions and millions. Whenever there's like water boiling and it spills all over the, you know, the stove, I don't think it makes a big deal. It's a big deal. But I think I put a little too much water. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest, I don't want to do this closet at all. I might have to save it for another day because it's like Christmas tree box, like a TV box. And one thing I try to do is not overwhelm myself while cleaning because I'm not gonna do the best at it. So if I'm like giving myself so much task, I can't finish one or I'm not doing like the best I can. I think I'm gonna save this for another day where I have that much energy because right now, like easy, medium, bathroom is gonna be hard. So I think I'm just gonna save the rest of my energy for the bathroom onto the bathroom. It doesn't look that bad. I just need to deep clean it. Think of it like it's my office. That's how I think of it, because this is where I film most of my things. This is where I do my self-care routines, my hygiene. This is almost like a very sacred place for me, because this is where I just take care of myself, self-care. Every time I come in this bathroom, I want it to feel like a place I want to be. Obviously, like very peaceful. I feel creative, but also like taking care of myself. I feel good, pampered, just a clean environment. That's what I want, especially for my bathroom. That's why I take the longest in the bathroom. There's a lot of disorganization, especially like under the sink. Let me show you. Everything is just like on top of everything. So I'm just gonna clean this out. I'm gonna put the toilet paper, like I'm just gonna stack it. I don't have too many things, but also I do, like at the same time. It's just like clutter. I am finally done cleaning. I felt like I took off so much dirt from the ground and everything. It just feels 50 pounds lighter. It just feels so clean. Like the bathroom smells so good. It feels clean. And then like the studio area, just so cozy. I'm gonna show you. And also the kitchen. The kitchen was the one thing I was like really holding back. Like I was waiting to clean. But the stove is finally done. And like the oven, there's like this mark. I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean that. But my studio is finally clean. I feel like my environment is clean, which is gonna help me feel more creative and like not look at the dust on the floor, but like think of something else. And I just feel like this space, especially this studio, I want it to be a space where I come in and I just feel creative, feel peace. You just get a sense of control when you're cleaning. It also feels like therapy. Like cleaning, your mind is at peace. You're playing whatever music you want. Like taking that time, lacking your whole studio just has that clean, cozy, ready for the week because it is Sunday. I also put a load of laundry. I put all my, like my hand towel and the rug, and then there's like a bunch of towels that were dirty. I put that in the wash, and then I also started the dishwasher. So I already hand wash it. I like hand washing it and then putting it in the dishwasher. Both of it's going. The last thing I want to do is to make it like smell. You know me and smell. I want this space to smell so good. So you basically have like, you know, cinnamon sticks, oranges, citrus. It just gives that like holiday smell. If you've ever smelled tea, like Ethiopian tea has like this certain smell to it, which I love. And it reminds me of that. So I might do that just to make the space smell good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this encouraged you and motivated you to clean whatever you've been holding on to, okay? Me, the closet. I will do that later this week. If you need to clean, this is your sign. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and come again! There's no giveaway today, but I wanted to announce yesterday's giveaway winner. So please email your Cash App, Zelle, PayPal to this email to claim your giveaway. We're halfway through with the 12 days of self-care, and I have a couple more giveaways coming, so stay tuned for that.